Do you want to know how you can set the passcode timeout limit on Frollo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can set the timeout of the passcode on Frollo. So, if you don't have Frollo, go ahead and install it from the Play Store and sign up to your account. Then go ahead and open Frollo. If you don't have your account yet, go ahead and sign up for it and log into your account. Scan your fingerprint. What you need to do now is click on Settings on the top right hand side and go to Security. After that, write down your passcode. You can see the required passcode is currently set to immediately. Go ahead and tap on it. And you can see there are some options like immediately, after 1 minute, after 5 minutes and after 15 minutes. So these all are the passcode timeout. If you click on 15 minutes, even after you open Frollo after 15 minutes, it will not ask you the passcode unless you have entered the security option of the fingerprint. As you can see that you have not entered the passcode, or you cannot use the fingerprint because you are using the timeout. You have kept it to 15 minutes. To change it, go ahead and open Settings, go to Security, write down the passcode, and you can see the required passcode. Tap on it and you can see you can choose from 1, 15, 5 and immediately. So go ahead and choose it according to your security. So guys, this is how you set the passcode timeout on Frollo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.